Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I would like to share with you different ways on how you could incorporate our macrame bags into different outfit aesthetics. I'll also drop the tutorial links in the description box so you could also do your own macrame bag. Hope you will enjoy this video.
This boob bag is not yet available, but definitely you could use macrame envelope bag for this look. Subscribe to my channel so you will be notified once I release the tutorial for this. This is a perfect bag for a casual day where you have to go to the supermarket or you have coffee with your friends. You could also use this as a perfect summer bag for your next beach getaway. Of course, this look would not be complete without the crafty craze of the 70s, which is macrame. The beloved 90s baguette bag is definitely here to stay. That's why I made sure that we have a macrame version of it. You can carry this beauty anywhere and everywhere. Feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never Soft girl look would not be complete without carrying a cute purse or bag. Make sure to incorporate a statement piece just like this bag on your next beach OOTD. Complete your sophistically cute outfit with this heart bag. I'm super happy of this creation, that's why I'm thinking of making a smaller version of this. This look would always effortlessly elegant for me. This is something that you could wear on a date or on a casual day in the office.
If you enjoyed this video, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging me on my social media accounts. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you have any suggestions or next tutorial that you would like to see, just let me know and I'll do that for you. Anyhow, don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next video.